did a case study on Ducati, and we were very fortunate to have a couple of colleagues, Sonia and Massimo, who knew the CEO of Ducati.
We thought that was going to be a good idea to get together again and take the opportunity to follow up with a case.
That was the perfect match because having time together is always fun, but having the opportunity of visiting the factory is always a must.
It's simply different. You have the possibility, not only to analyze the company from the strategic perspective or the case, but to see what is really behind. Do you have a supervisor for each line, or
there are different points. In the middle of the line you will see the offices. It may also happen that you get to see people filming also on the line to see how they can improve the process.
This is really a unique experience to really see, to touch what a company is, to see the manufacturing processes, the flow, the products.
What impressed me is that Ducati, in those difficult days when it was picked up, the first decision of investment, despite of the difficult time, was to invest in a museum.
Ducati really is managed by people that love the brand and is doing everything to keep this passion on the customer.
Welcome in the company.
Thank you so much.
We saw the factory, and one of the things that was surprising me was a lot of handmade things, so a lot of people working.
Yeah, motorcycle is very peculiar because it's a much smaller business than cars, and so you cannot actually invest so much in automation.
The big money is being made with the racing. So he said, we're entering kind of the scramblers, but then we're always keeping this racing in there because that kind of gives the aura. And even though those people might not go to racing, we kind of need that aura because that's what others don't have. Thank you all, because it's kind of fantastic that the group could organize an event like this and connect it to some of the things we've done at IESE.